Hello to all our new guests and partners. Thank you very much for coming today here. We will discuss a little bit about the future of air traffic and about possibilities, how that can be managed, how do these aircrafts look like.
In the future, we will have over 42 megacities in the world with over 500 million inhabitants. And one of the biggest problems people have there is traffic congestion. Some startups develop a mode of transport that can maybe relieve that problem a little bit. Mode of transport is so-called eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft.
We are most likely to target 95% of urban transport. We are involving you as airliners because you've got the know-how, especially on the last pillars, when we are talking about operations, passengers, infrastructure. Our approach is a global approach. Why we are doing that? Because we believe these mega cities, they are not in Germany. Most of them are not within Europe, but of course we start here because this is our home turf.
The idea is basically when you arrive at the airport, you would be shuttled or you walk to the vertiport, and from there you enter the small terminal building, do a ID check, a weight check maybe, and enter the eVTOL, have a small safety introduction and lift off to the direction where you want to go.
New ideas that we can apply that is already in the pipeline to be implemented at your airports with your operations, like biometrics, passenger processes, like off-airport activities. This is what we are aiming for. And the other part is that, of course, with these new vehicles, we see some issues with weight and balance, and in particular the weight of, for example, the baggage. So we need to define off-airport processes that are able to deliver the bag without being physically associated to the passenger. We have the chance to build an ecosystem that is completely adherent to the ecosystem that is present already at the airports, and not to put something on top that makes it a cumbersome exercise.
We all need to start the co-creation now to make it happen in a couple of years.
We need to find ways of integrating this urban air mobility vehicles into the normal traffic. This sounds very ambitious on the one hand, very fantastic on the other hand, and the future is coming to reality.